This video will help you through the first page of your skills review package if you've forgotten how to do some of these skills. So on this page, we're going to talk about angle theorems, the Pythagorean theorem, and SOHCAHTOA, otherwise known as our trigonometric ratios. So just some things we need to know about angle theorems. For the things that we're going to be working on with trigonometry, we need to know about the angles in a triangle. So if you add together all the angles in your triangle, they should add up to 180 degrees. And straight lines, which are also known as supplementary angles, also add up to 180 degrees. And these are helpful when we're solving questions, especially in the vectors portion of this course. Pythagorean theorem is a good way to solve for missing sides in a right angle triangle. And the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is always the hypotenuse, which is the longest side in your right angle triangle. So when you're doing a question with the Pythagorean theorem, the first thing you want to do is find your hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse should always be located across from the 90-degree angle, and it should be the longest side. So in this example here, the 20 centimeters is our C, and then the other two sides will be A and B, and it doesn't really matter which one we let be which, as long as one is A and one is B. So I'm going to write down the formula: a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and then just substitute in my values. So a, I'm going to use x squared, b, I'm going to use 12 squared, and c is going to be 20 squared. So 12 squared is 144, and 20 squared is 400. So x squared plus 144 equals 400. Now, because these numbers are on opposite sides of the equal sign, and there's an equal sign in between instead of an addition sign, I need to move that 144 to the other side. So I'm going to do that by subtracting. And 400, take away 144. It would help if I actually could press the right buttons on my calculator. Is 256. And then to get rid of a square, the opposite operation is a square root. So we're going to take the square root of both sides, and I get that x equals, the square root of 256 is 16. So that's going to be 16 centimeters.